Hey there, so this is Bryson with Pioneer Plumbing, just showing you about our water main pull that we're doing right now. So basically what we're doing is we've got our machine in the hole. We've dug a hole at the front yard. That's where the water main starts at the city. And it runs underground into the house and feeds the house. But we're trying to avoid digging up this customer's front yard. There's some concrete at the front of the house we don't want to disturb if we can avoid it. So that's why we pull. We can just dig one small hole and put the dirt right back in there, and it doesn't disturb much in your front yard. This unit uses 25,000 pounds, I believe, to pull. There's a lot of power here. And basically this metal cable that's here is going through the pipe, and in the house you've got Matt feeding the new pipe. So the new pipe is connected to the cable and it's pulling right through the old pipe. So we'll have new pipe to this customer's home without disturbing any of this front concrete area. So yeah,